If your Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 won't turn on, this usually doesn't mean it's broken. If this fixes your issue, subscribe. I post quick fixes like this every week. This is usually a battery or SD card issue. Let's go step by step. 1. Remove the battery. Take it out completely. 2. Reinsert battery. Insert firmly and correctly. 3. Try powering on. Press the power button. 4. Charge battery. Fully charge or replace battery. 5. Remove SD card. Test without the SD card. This next step surprises a lot of people. 6. Reset camera. Hold power button for 10 seconds. 7. Test again. Reinsert SD card and power on. If this helps, subscribe and check my other Kodak videos if you're still stuck.